Hi, it's Thursday, December 10th, 2015. Well, it's usually the day the Bank of England meets, the first Thursday of the month. And unsurprisingly, they've held rates at almost zero for the 81st meeting in a row. Bank of England base rate is at 0.5%. And that's a 320-year low. Bank of England was founded in 1694. The last time the Bank of England increased interest rates was on the 10th of May 2007, so about eight and a half years ago. And the last time they changed rates, or the last time they cut rates, was March 5th, 2009, or 6.5 years ago. There are many people now working in the financial markets in the City of London that have never experienced a rate hike or even a rate change. And they think this is a normal situation. They're very complacent. Bank of England is creating a lot of complacency in the markets by keeping interest rates artificially low at 0.5%. Bank of England is distorting free market mechanisms. Interest rate is the price of money, and by keeping interest rate artificially low in a straitjacket, Bank of England is giving the wrong signal to lenders and borrowers, and as a result creating malinvestment, which is an Austrian School of Economics term. And according to Mises wiki, malinvestment is a mistaken investment in wrong lines of production, which inevitably lead to wasted capital and economic losses, subsequently requiring the reallocation of resources to more productive uses. So not good at all what the Bank of England is doing. A market economy requires the price mechanism to be left alone in order that market participants can decide on the best possible course of action in terms of allocating precious resources. It's like a signal. It gives, participants, should I buy, should I sell, should I lend or borrow? If you keep the price of money artificially low, it disrupts everything. People think everything's fine. They make malinvestments. So, in my opinion, Bank of England disrupting the market mechanism is the wrong course of action. And unfortunately, they've been doing it for too long. And I'm afraid it's will end badly. And it's no wonder that the UK economy, not only the UK economy, but all the other economies, the EU, US economy, no wonder, growth is so anemic, and no wonder also that government finances are still in the doldrums. Because, if the economy was doing really well, tax receipts would be up, government wouldn't have the annual deficits it has, and the national debt wouldn't be skyrocketing as it still is. George Osborne, about 4 or 5 years ago, predicted that by now we'd be in a budget surplus, but we're still in a deficit. And in my opinion, it's the fault of monetary policy. Bank of England is disrupting the market for the price of money or interest rates by keeping interest rates artificially low. Hopefully, this policy will end soon before it's too late. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.